Hey there folks, how's it going? My name is Peter Eastvold and I am an Intuit certified QuickBooks solution provider from BlackRock Business. Welcome to the QuickBooks POS Fix-It series. I am so glad you're here. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover how to fix the problem that you're having with QuickBooks Point of Sale, just like we've helped many other people around the world that are having issues such as yours. What we've done here is we put together a step-by-step guide on fixing the following error. Status code 3140. There is an invalid reference to QuickBooks AR AP account in the receipt or bill. Getting the walkthrough with simple instructions is as easy as clicking on the link down below in the description. Now, it's just occurred to us somewhere down the line you may experience other issues or trouble that you may need help with. Just head on over to that link down below and grab the instruction guide. The QuickBooks POS Insiders Facebook group information is also included. It's a wonderful community of like-minded store owners and point of sale users ready to have a great dialogue about any training or issues or concerns you might have. So go ahead, on the next page, just click on the button and instantly receive the easy instruction guide for status code 3140. There is an invalid reference to QuickBooks AR AP account. It's okay, you can rest assured that you will not have any trouble in the future because you can ask about any future error within our Insiders Facebook group for QuickBooks Point of Sale. That's right, we'd be happy to help. Just jump on in there, ask your question away. We've got a wonderful community of over 1,000 QuickBooks Point of Sale users, helping them every day all over the world, and we are looking forward to seeing you over there. So like I said, just head on down to the link in the description down below, grab the instruction guide, and the QuickBooks POS Insiders Facebook group information is also included. I look forward to talking to you in the future, and we will see you in the community. Thank you. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. You have an excellent day.